And here we go. So it's 3, 2, 1. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Shrishti's Makeup Company, and today we are going to be unboxing a package that we have received all the way from South Korea. So all you makeup and skincare lovers out there, watch till the end because this is going to be fun as makeup is for everyone. So for everyone who's new to my channel, first of all, welcome, and for everyone who's already subscribing us and our loyal viewers, I would like to thank everyone for being a part of our family. This is an amazing box that we've received as a PR package from a lovely brand which I recently came across when I went for the event of Tira. There's a separate video on my page where I have taken you with me on the journey of the launch event of this brand. So many of you who've not seen it, please go watch that now. Some brands you kind of just come across and you fall in love with because the work that they're doing is absolutely fresh. It's something new, and when you actually use these products you can tell that they've been made with a lot of research, with a lot of love. मैंने अभी तक actually देखा भी नहीं है कि इसमें क्या है, because I genuinely wanted to unbox this with all of you. So this is Mixoon, and let's just quickly dive into what's inside this box because I cannot wait. Like मेरे से wait नहीं हो रहा. Let's get down to actually opening this, and here we go. So it's 3, 2, 1. Yay! It's a big box which is full of goodies. So it says Tira with Mixoon because they launched with Tira Beauty. So this box has a couple of products, and it's a wide range that they've sent. ये guarantee है that once you use them, you will realize why I have taken up to speak about the brand. First product we talk about is Mixoon Glacier Water Hyaluronic Acid Serum. This, oh, I have to remove all the tapes also. It's that new. See, I have not unboxed this before. But जो मैं लेके आई थी टीरा से, वो मैं यूज़ कर चुकी हूँ. It was a bigger one that I bought. See, I bought the bigger one from that day, जिस दिन मैं event पे गई थी. I only tested this that day. मैंने सिर्फ try किया था, and I could tell you that this would feel amazing on the skin. So how you can use this is जब भी आप like नहा के बाहर निकलते हैं or you had like a face wash, so you can take this on a cotton pad and just rub it along with the skin texture of your skin, and you will see a difference. बहुत ही mild, बहुत ही soft texture है इसका. So once you actually use it, you would feel in a few days, like 7 to 10 days, you would start feeling a difference that your skin feels a lot more supple, and it's a very good toner. So for people who have pores, it will also help you tighten them. तो एक तो इनकी पैकेजिंग इतनी क्यूट है because it is glacier water, so there's like a little polar bear and then like glaciers on it. So I think they've really spent a lot of time on packaging. I also want to quickly show you the texture of this. It's just like water. It's very lightweight, and it just seamlessly blends into your skin like really quick. So definitely a product you would see on a shelf and be like, okay, I have to buy this. So the next product we have inside the box is soya bean milk pack. This is made out of fermented soya bean, which actually helps you in getting your texture, your hydration back for your skin. Soya bean is very good. But soya bean lagana बहुत मुश्किल है. Like either you grind it, paste it, or whatever. इन्होंने एक मिल्क पैड बनाया है. मिल्क इज ऑल्सो ऑब्वियसली very good for your skin, for the texture. People who also have pigmentation or hyperpigmentation, milk is very good. So you can just use this regularly. I will not be able to use it because I do have makeup on my face, but I will put this on my stories on my Instagram. My Instagram handle is also Shrishti's Makeup Company, so please आप वहाँ follow करें. The third thing that is coming out of this box is very important. लोग आज भी इसको इतना importance नहीं देते हैं, but this is it's like a do or a die situation. It is the SPF cream Centella from Mixoon, and the sun rays, the UV rays are so hard on you कि आपकी स्किन एक्चुअली में खराब होती है, स्पॉइल होती है. इन जनरल इज वेरी सेंसिटिव. सो एन SPF 50 प्लस मिनिमम आज के डेट में तो SPF 50+ इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, एंड सेंटेला एक्चुअली गिव्स यू SPF 50+ PA++++. So this is like extreme care of your skin from the sun rays. This should be a part of your daily routine. एज अ प्रोफेशनल मेकअप आर्टिस्ट मैं हमेशा ये बात बोलती हूँ, अगर आप अपनी स्किन का ध्यान नहीं रखते हैं तो आप पे मेकअप उतना अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. मतलब मैं मेकअप से आपका टेक्सचर हल्का कर सकती हूँ, या आई कैन हाइड just a little bit, maybe 10% of what you're going through. But if your skin is good and it's flawless, your makeup would, ek to you would not need so much makeup. And even if I apply makeup on you, it's going to be like just seamless. So try and take care of your skin as much as you can. Sunscreen log use karte hain. The other problem people do is they just take a little bit and then they just mix it in their moisturizer and they'll apply it and they're like hamara sunscreen ho gaya. That is not how you go about it. That two-finger rule is actually very important because that is the amount you need for your skin. So I don't want to waste the product, but what I mean to say is 2 full-size finger jitna product aap le of the sunscreen and then nicely massage it inside your skin. I like that it has a lock system. Sometimes when you have those opening systems wo leak ho jata hai. Let me quickly also show you the texture of this. It's pretty easy, it's pretty lightweight, I would say. It does not leave a white cast, so it's very good for multiple applications all throughout the day. The fourth thing out of the box is the Mixoon Bean Cream. Now this is a very fancy product which is also very, very useful. The ingredients are so good. It's made out of fermented bean, it has barley, it has pomegranate, and it has Korean pear. The fact behind Korean products is that it is made so well कि वो penetrate करता है आपके skin के अंदर, like it goes deep inside. It's an excellent moisturizer. It's a little thick on the consistency, like I will show you. Just to show you how the texture is, it's very thick. This is going to help you with extreme hydration, which we all need because mostly our skins are pretty dehydrated, especially in the winter season. You see how it just blends into my skin so properly. Brings life to like a lifeless skin. There's another myth where people say कि हमारी तो oily skin है, we don't need a moisturizer. You always need a moisturizer. Like how you need a sunscreen, you do need a moisturizer, and a good moisturizer will not even have breakouts, will not get you pimples. अगर आप dry skin है, oily skin है, आप combination skin है, कैसी भी skin है, to apply makeup or no makeup, moisturizer is very important. I've used this cream beneath my makeup even today and you can see it has a radiance to it, there's a glow to it. So winters के लिए तो ये और भी better है. Let's talk about one of my another favorite products from Mixoon. I fell in love with this. One of the reasons is that it is vegan. And this gives you a texture which is like snail mucin. Aajkal it's very viral, snail mucin hai. There are a lot of companies, lot of brands that are taking out snail mucin. So the one thing that really drives me to buy this and should drive you also is that it is vegan. It actually works to clear out your sebum and dead cells. An important product आपके face पे डेड स्किन है, डेड स्किन रोज है आपके फेस पे, सो यू नीड समथिंग फॉर एवरी डे. आप हर रोज अगर अपनी स्किन का ध्यान रखेंगे तो आपको वो थ्राइस अ मंथ, 4 times a month फेशियल जाने की शायद जरूरत भी ना पड़े. As I was mentioning, it's vegan. Also want to show you the texture of this. It's important to see the texture of the product that you're buying before actually going in for it. It's very smooth, it's very soft, so it restores your skin's vitality. It just stores that glow that your face, your skin should have, because dead cells chale gaye, sebum chala gaya to clear ho gayi. It's like intense clarification, but at the same time there is nourishment because it does have the extracts of bean in it. Just keep in your nightstands or whenever you do your routine. If you're a morning person, if you're a night person, आप कभी भी करो, but skin routine is very important. I use it at night because skin आपकी रात में रिपेयर होती है, तो आप कभी भी इसे लगाएं, but आप इसे ज़रूर खरीदें. A lot of you must have recently heard the term double cleansing because आजकल impurities इतनी है skin में कि हम शायद एक बार ही face wash करते हैं तो impurities नहीं जाती. So there will be some brands who would say that this is, you have to use it twice for it to work. The one thing I really like about the cleansing foam is it's foam. I'm like a fan of foam products. I don't know, it's a personal favorite. I love foam products. दोनों टाइप की बातें हैं मार्केट में कि अगर बहुत ज़्यादा फोम है तो देन it's not good or something. ऐसा नहीं है. You should go through the ingredients and you should see the texture. You should read the product properly. It's just a gimmick, कि ये अच्छा नहीं है, वो अच्छा नहीं है. But आपको अपने ingredients अपने skin type के हिसाब से पता होने चाहिए, and that's when you should invest in a product. So this cleansing foam, I am using it morning and night, and it works wonders. Okay, ये one time wash में it just removes all the gunk that I have or something that is left off after removing my makeup. मेरे like dead skin हो गया, dirt हो गया, pores तक को clean कर देता है ये, which is very important. It's like deep cleansing. I can see a difference in the skin care that I do. I feel like my skin absorbs more after I've started using this. That means कि मेरी impurities पहले धुल जाती हैं अच्छे से, तभी तो प्रोडक्ट जाके एब्जॉर्ब होता है ना. ये वन टाइम वॉश में इट डज दैट डबल क्लेंजिंग इफेक्ट फॉर मी एंड इट जस्ट cleanses my face thoroughly. So how we just spoke about cleansing foam that is mostly used for oily or acne prone skin. For somebody who has very very dry skin, I would not recommend the foam because वो आपको और dry कर देगा. It might just become flaky and patchy. For that you can go for the beam cleansing oil. So obviously there are types of skin. अब ऐसा नहीं है कि आप सारे product use कर सकते हो. As I said, you have to understand your skin type. Like I am an oily skin type mixed with a combination skin because मेरा T-zone बहुत oily हो जाता है, तो I am a person who goes for the foam. But there are other family members in my house who have dry skin. They use the cleansing oil. How you can use this is, again, just take like 4-5 pumps in your hand, just put it all over your face, kind of give it a good massage, take some lukewarm water and then just wash it off. So people who have extremely dry skin and especially winters, थोड़ी सी स्किन ज़्यादा ड्राई हो जाती है, तो यू कैन शिफ्ट टू द क्लेंजिंग ऑयल. समर्स में आपकी स्किन डिफरेंट फील करेगी, विंटर्स में डिफरेंट फील करेगी. सो माई रिकमेंडेशन इज यू शुड हैव बोथ. अच्छा, स्किन में से तो सभी कुछ निकल गया, तो न्यूट्रिएंट्स भी निकल गए, तो कुछ रह ही नहीं गया. दैट्स वाई इट्स द इंटायर स्किन केयर रेंज. You cleanse your face, then you use the moisturizer I showed you. उससे आपका moisture nourishment वापस चला जाता है. You use the bean extract products which again bring back that nutrients, that glow to your face. Just go to Tira Beauty store. They have Mixun there, and you can just, they have wonderful people helping you there. You can speak to them, talk to them, tell them that मेरे को ये issues हैं skin के साथ. They will really recommend the best for you and then invest in the product. So they're pretty much available all over. अब इससे ज़्यादा बेचारा brand क्या करेगा? They're really there to help you out. So is the last thing coming out of the box, and I pretty much feel like my whole rack is stacked. So I can't thank Mixun enough. This is amazing. Okay, ये सबको बहुत पसंद आएगा. It's my personal favorite also. These are bean pads. These are bean toner pads. Now what happens, we live in a time where we want everything very easy, very quick, and very approachable and fun. Okay, so now what they've done is they've made these amazing pads and they've dipped them in like a good soluble toner. The best part I like about them is that there is nothing that can go wrong with this. इन्होंने इतने अच्छे से इसे डिज़ाइन करा है. Like पैड निकालने के लिए they've given you a spoolie also. Like you don't even have to like put your hand in it कि hand पे dirt है. एक पैड निकालने के लिए मैंने hand डाला and I will be touching all the pads. So you have to be very careful with your skin. आपको लगेगा कि ये तो इतनी सी बात है, हम तो like cotton rose निकाल लेते हैं. Yeah, there are a lot of people making DIY pads today also I've seen, but this is also very very important. This little spoolie. Hand wash करके डोर भी खोलोगे तभी भी आपके हाथ गंदे हो गए, तो फिर बाकी सारे pads गंदे हो गए. And when you apply them on your face, you will see a beautiful pimple the next morning. So this is very important. Now what you do is you just open this, you take out a pad from this and you just place it around your face and wherever you have a little irritation, you have pores. So this does the job of a toner. But I will be using every product from this box and I will keep uploading stories on Instagram. So follow me on Instagram, follow Mixoon, follow Tira Beauty so that you know what they're coming up with new and what they keep doing. You know, there's some amazing, amazing products. With this, we come to an end of the unboxing of our Mixoon box. I cannot thank the brand enough for not only sending me the products but also making such products that are super user friendly. They're vegan, they're also very, very well packaged, they're so hygienically thought, and I think very well placed in the market. They're also very affordable. किसी को लगेगा नहीं इनके prices ज़्यादा हैं. You have to make sure that you understand the importance of skincare. And once you realize how good the products are, आप अपने skin के लिए invest करोगे ही करोगे and करना भी चाहिए. As a makeup artist, I always request people that please don't ask us to convert you into something that we cannot because of the type of skin that you have. No skin is bad, every skin is beautiful. Just आप थोड़ा सा उसका ध्यान रखो and you'll be surprised to know that once you take care of your skin and it starts showing results, you would be like so happy with yourself, you can't imagine. I also want to thank Harshika. She's a beautiful soul and I had that instant connect with her the day I met her. She was beautiful enough to explain all the products to me. She was the person behind who sent me this entire package and I hope I've done justice with my audience. But thank you so much for believing in my work, and she's the person who made me fall in love with this. So this one's for you. Do let me know in the comment section below which products did you actually like the most. Please visit the Tira store. Please visit Mixoon. Check out the products for yourself. Also purchase the ones that you really like. Don't forget to tag me if you like any product and if you buy any product. It is Shrishti's Makeup Company on Instagram. Also, people who are already a part of my family, thank you so much. People who are new, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out any fab update coming your way. As I always say, stay beautiful, be beautiful, and watch out for the next one. Go shop now. Like, what are you waiting for?